Hi, my name is Adrian here at Genius Phone Repair, Grand Rapids, Michigan here in Alpine Avenue. And today I want to discuss with you a couple key points about what makes a good case. So first and foremost, you want to find a case that offers some great impact protection. Now here at Genius Phone Repair, we actually offer military-grade cases that are specifically designed just to protect your phone. So if you have the ultimate fall to the ground, your phone's going to survive that a lot better than, say, anything else would really. Which, when it comes to buying a case, you also want to consider your lifestyle choices. Now, if you're a little bit more active, obviously you're going to want something probably a little bit more durable, maybe water resistant, possibly with a hip clip. If you're a little more laid back, you can go with a smaller profile case on there as well. But ultimately, you want to protect your phone because it's going to happen no matter how good you take care of your phone. And lastly, the one thing I want to cover with you guys as well is essentially what works best for you. You don't want to go through and break the wallet when it comes to buying a new case for your phone, but you don't want to go something too cheap that just covers the phone and then ultimately has no protection on it whatsoever. So those are just a couple key points I want to discuss with you guys today about buying a good phone case. If you like this video, go ahead and like us here on Facebook, share it with your friends and family, and if you guys have any ideas of things we should probably bring up to as a point to discuss, let us know by sending us a message here at the Facebook page, or you can always email us as well. Just go ahead and follow the links, and see you until next time, guys.